It is said that men are from Mars and women are from Venus, and there has always been an ongoing battle of the sexes. While you may find more males as managers, a survey of more than 600 board directors suggests women are better in this role. But can a single survey decide who's better at management? Well, let's find out as Ayush and Srishti enter the war of words.
Hi, I'm Ayush Kolgud and the topic today is Women are better at management than men, and I'm standing for the motion.
Hi, my name is Shrishti Rai, and today's topic is Women are better in management than men, and I'm standing against it.
Women are better at management than men because research has proven that women can handle more things at once than men. For example, women handle their homes, their children, and also their careers very well. They seldom fail and do not let others fail either. They are high on emotions and hence they are passionate about everything they do. Women are great at integrity and honesty, which means that it enables other people to follow them more effectively and strengthens an organization in the process. These all abilities separate them from the men by a mile.
As they say, men are from Mars and women are from Venus. They obviously display different management skills. If you ask someone to think of a leader, chances are that they will think of a man. Historically, most of our leaders have turned out to be men. Hence, both men and women tend to think that men make better leaders. Gender offers a really huge part wherein men and women manage. It's the drive, the motivation, the attitude, perseverance, and the circumstance.
Women have leadership abilities, solve problems, and analyze issues. These abilities make them capable of handling many things at once. They do their work flawlessly. Therefore, these women can handle their children as well as their career simultaneously.
Okay, Ayush, but emotional IQ is also very high. Most of the women are very emotional and kind-hearted, which is not suitable for the situations they are in. At managerial levels, the position demands them to be tough, which is a challenge for the women.
Okay, Srishti, but research has proven that many women want to succeed as much as other men do in the fields of management and leadership. It is a drive, motivation, perseverance, and attitude which drives them forward to the pinnacle of success in terms of leadership and management. I'm sure you guys know Jacinda Ardern, the Prime Minister of New Zealand. She made her country the first country to be completely COVID-free and also had a baby while attending her office, which means that she had great management capabilities. Women have become more and more important as managers or leaders as they follow an effective management style in which they influence, inspire, help, and guide other people towards success. There are many great women who have handled their children as well as careers very well.
Okay, Ayush, I get it, but even risk-taking ability. Most of the women take calculated risks, and in businesses, sometimes people have to choose the riskier path which contains risks and high stakes. For example, Indian actresses, the minute they get married, they leave their job, well-settled careers. Some women find it very difficult to work late at night. Even after delivery, some of the women quit their job and take care of their children.
In conclusion, they are punctual, they have coherent minds, and also are very dedicated towards their work. These inbuilt qualities do make them better managers than men. They are hardworking, they multitask, and also are flawless in their work and are very competitive. They are engaged more in the work they do and therefore ensure higher results. Many surveys indicate that they are self-confident, are analytical, and are consistent, which make them better managers than men. Thank you.
The differences between men and women are because of the society's way of raising them. Men are raised to be harsh and demanding, while women are raised to be quick-witted and kind. If we were to talk in stereotypes, boys are athletic, muscular, and never cry, while women are emotional, kind, and quick-witted. Now slowly the times are changing, situations are changing. Both boy and girl child are being raised equally. Hence, with time, the differences between men and women in any field will never exist. Thank you.
While this might sound like it's a fight between men and women regarding who's better at management, victory of any or both of them would lead to upliftment of the complete society. What do you think about this? Do let us know in the comment section below. Want to be the first to know of the videos on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it, so like, share and tell your friends about the video.